Okay, so before I start this video, first, this is my voice. Hello, everybody. Thank y'all for the support. Second, the references of the characters in this animation are my Roblox character and my friend's Roblox character whose birthday was yesterday, but the animation got delayed or whatever. And yeah, because the animation didn't want to let me download the app. Third of all, I'm black, so if y'all hear the word nigga, don't be surprised or soon. TikTok, please don't hurt me. And also, hope you guys like this animation. It's peak, just know that. And this is to my friend Blizzard, who I've known about for 4 years, like 4 years. Not gonna lie, he a chill dude. So hope y'all like this animation. Wish him a happy late birthday, and just enjoy the video.
Ready, Cam?
Of course. Shut your mouth!
Look, it doesn't have to be this way, Cameron.
Why not? Come on, nigga.
So be it.
Oh god damn. Hot Robin!
I see.
Nigga, English or Spanish?
Damn it.
Say cheese. I'll die, nigga.
Domain expansion.
Bon Kai.